Hey camera, so right now we're up north of the Paw, Manitoba, Canada. Yep, the PAS Manitoba. Train coming from Churchill and going to Winnipeg. Yep. The train is late. Yep, it didn't come in last night after 10 or 11. So today it is Saturday, December the 13th, 2025. Yep, and the time it is 6:45 a.m. Yep, 6:45 a.m. in the morning. Yep, a Saturday morning, 6:45. Yep. Maybe it's late because maybe it could be having an engine problem, or maybe it's because it's how cold it is. Yep. Well, from over there, the horn did sound funny. Yep. So yeah, I'll be back on recording once it comes through. Hey camera. So right now we're up north of the Paw, Manitoba, Canada. Yep, the PAS Manitoba. Train arriving coming from Churchill and going to Winnipeg. Yep. So today it is Saturday, December the 13th, 2025. Yep, and the time it is 6:53 a.m. Yep. 6:53 a.m. in the morning, a Saturday morning. Yep, it's almost 7. Boy, 3 engines, don't really see that often on this train. Yep. And also it's late and delayed too, this train. Yep, it's supposed to come in last night and instead it came in this morning. Yep. The Paw via station. train number 6428, 6421, and 6424. And this train is not going to be stopping here too long either. I told them, I asked one of the train guys what time it's taking off, and he said 5 or 10 minutes. Yup. So the time now, it is 6:58 p.m. Nope, it's not p.m. The time right now, it is 6:58 a.m. Yup. So yeah, I'll get back on filming once they pull out, once it pulls out. Whoop, hey camera, here comes the train now. Yup. I decided to come to this spot over here outside of town. Yup. So the time now, it is 7:44 a.m. Yup. 7:44 a.m. on a Saturday morning. I'm right outside of town here. Yup. Right by the KRC shop, and there's the red train. Yup. And by Young's Point as well. Yup. Hope the lights over there this went low. Or the bottom lights. Maybe it's gonna stop there for a little while, or is it gonna keep going? So yeah, I'll be back on filming once it comes through. Yup, it's this leaving town now, pulling out of town. Yup. So yeah. Whoop, there goes that train. So hey camera, so right now I am right outside of the Paw, Manitoba, Canada. Yep, the PAS Manitoba. Train number 6428, 6421, and 6424. Yep, so today it is Saturday, December the 13th, 2025, 2025. Yep. And the time it is 7:56 a.m. Yep, 7:56 a.m. It's almost 8 o'clock. Yep. Boy, that train took off. The fuel came out. Yep. Whoop, there they go. Whoop, there it goes to Winnipeg now. Yep. So yeah, skip the video now. See you in the next one. Peace. The guy that likes trains out.